Hello, my name's Michael Priestnall. I'm a materials scientist and the founder of Cambridge Carbon Capture. We've developed a new low-energy process for carbon capture and storage that converts CO2 into building materials. Every year, mankind emits 7 billion tonnes of CO2 from burning coal in power stations. The technology exists to separate CO2 from flue gases and to store it underground as a supercritical liquid. Unfortunately, separating CO2 is a hugely expensive process to do, and not all countries will be willing to embrace it. We had a eureka moment last year when we realised that the tendency of alkali fuel cells to be poisoned by CO2 could be turned to advantage as a highly efficient method for carbon capture. In our new process, we take CO2 and abundant silicate rocks and react them together in a fuel cell. The fuel cell generates electricity from that reaction and a chemical product, which is solid limestone. Our fuel cell process has two big advantages over the conventional CCS approach. Firstly, our process is profitable. It generates products that can be sold into the construction sector, and the value of those products is larger than the costs of the carbon capture process. Secondly, we don't need to wait for any pipeline infrastructure to be built or safety studies on supercritical CO2 storage to be done, so industry can get on with implementing CCS straight away. TSB and Cambridge University have worked with us to prove the technical feasibility of this process in the laboratory. The next stage for us is to find the right industrial and commercial partners to implement it at scale and to help us to build a business around our technology. If you want to help us implement the technology to eliminate the world's fossil fuel emissions, then please vote for Cambridge Carbon Capture. Thanks.